At the beginning of every month, our team at Connect Life honors those who have given the gift of life and healing through organ, eye, tissue, earth tissue, and blood donation. Leaves have long been symbols of new life and renewal, and that is why we have 5 variations of leaves that represent a donor from this year and the type of gift he or she has shared. The individuals we are celebrating today donated in the month of June 2021. And for each name read, a leaf will be hung in their honor.
Organ donors for the month of June. Portland, 36 years old, organ, eye, and tissue donor. Michael, 23 years old, organ, eye, and tissue donor. Carl, 57 years old, organ and eye donor. Louis, 38 years old, organ donor. Antoine, 56 years old, organ donor. Tissue and eye donors for the month of June. George, 66 years old. Bradley, 64 years old. Michael, 68 years old. Carol, 64 years old. Kelly, 56 years old. Roxanne, 46 years old. David, 72 years old. Sarah, 23 years old. Zachary, 31 years old. Sandra, 69 years old. James, 62 years old. Charles, 71 years old. Michael, 72 years old. Matthew, 49 years old. David, 63 years old. Timothy, 60 years old. Daniel, 65 years old. Bruce, 73 years old. Richard, 54 years old. John, 69 years old. Eric, 59 years old. Diane, 55 years old. Kim, 56 years old. Leonard, 60 years old. Patricia, 78 years old. Jeffrey, 56 years old. James, 42 years old. Miguel, 63 years old. Carrie, 46 years old. Raul, 40 years old. Tissue donors for the month of June. Norman, 78 years old. Ronald, 78 years old. Susan, 81 years old. Willie, 83 years old. Charlene, 82 years old. 2 years old. Joan, 87 years old. Melford, 75 years old. Leon, 82 years old. Edwin, 87 years old. Catherine, 96 years old. June, 92 years old. Constance, 73 years old. Joyce, 75 years old. Noah, 88 years old. Pasquale, 80 years old. Louis, 81 years old. Kevin, 56 years old. Roseanne, 78 years old. Robert, 75 years old. Robert, 89 years old. Eye donors for the month of June. Christopher, 60 years old. Florence, 72 years old. Wayne, 69 years old. David, 71 years old. Janine, 66 years old. Richard, 66 years old. Michelle, 32 years old. John, 55 years old. Dawn, 66 years old. Kimberly, 59 years old. Robert, 62 years old. Josephine, 67 years old. Michael, 66 years old. Kimberly, 45 years old. Wendy, 66 years old. Birth tissue donors for the month of June. Alyssa, Greta, Carolyn, Kashana, Myra, Jewel, Lauren, Alyssa, Yen. Blood donors who donated in June reaching a milestone. Platelet donors. Alice Garabini, 200 platelet donations.
Nanda Kumar Kanusami, 100 platelet donations. Red cell donors. Amy Bush, 9 gallons. Patrick Carroll, 7 gallons. Deborah Jameson, 6 gallons. Noel Dill, 6 gallons. Annalise Lynch, 5 gallons. John Swiat, 5 gallons.
We would now like to have a moment of silence in honor of all of our donors.